Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you made money last week. The market was moving as expected for a lot of pairs. Also, the trades of the week actually went as expected. The trade setups that were shared by our seniors. I'll touch base into that shortly, but anyway, all of you are new to We Trade Waves. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip, or move. And we'll start as usual with DXY. I'll cover, guys, the list that you can see the right side of the screen. And as usual, like I said, we'll start with the dollar index. And from here, we'll continue to the next pairs. But again, those of you are new, guys, this is our YouTube channel. It's We Trade Waves. All our official links are in the description under this video. So I suggest you to go and check them. These are our official links, okay? These are the videos here. You can check any one of them if you'd like to. And we suggest you guys to go and check some of the videos so you know actually what you forecast and how the market usually move. This is the DXY, guys, 4 hours chart, okay? And again, before we start, I just want to say thank you for all of you guys who are liking and commenting on our videos. This actually pushing us to be on every single week to give you all the answers and all the forecasts, okay? By the way, last week we were expecting market to fall to the downside. We said in all the cases, we are expecting the DXY, dollar to drop. I'll get back to this, guys, shortly, but again, because all of you are liking and commenting, this week I have decided to go for the top-down analysis with you for DXY, so you know how the market moves and you know a bit more about the structures, okay? So this is the DXY dollar index. This is the weekly chart. At We Trade Waves or wave analysis is mainly top-down analysis. This is very important. Why this important? You need to do top-down analysis to know where you in the bigger picture, to know which wave to trade, and to know actually in which direction you should trade, okay? So if I look at the dollar index from here, I'm repeating, this is dollar index weekly chart, okay? This is TradingView. In case you don't know, we use TradingView for the charting platform. If you want to know more details about that, it's anyway on our website and inside the dashboard of our members, okay? So anyway, this was a low. Starting from here, this is a low. We've got this up wave. We've got this corrective structure. We've got this up move. This, from here to here, it's an impulsive wave. It's subdivided into 5 waves, up, corrective structure, up, corrective structure, up. In terms of Elliott waves, this is a motive wave. Motive waves is a 5-wave structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where actually wave 3 is not the shortest. You know, actually wave 2, it will not retrace more than 100% of wave 1. And wave 4, it will not go into price territory of wave 1, okay? So for this one, this is a motive wave. Now, after that, what market gave us is a drop, corrective structure, and then a drop. This is called a contracting flat. Again, guys, I have decided to give you more this week as some sort of thank you for all of you are liking and commenting on our videos. And if you can keep doing that, this will be appreciated. At the same time, if you can watch till the end to not miss any update, move, or tip, this will be helpful for you, okay? Also for us. Because if YouTube see that a lot of people are watching till the end, this is a good sign for them that this forecast is important and they will show it to more traders. This is the exact way, guys, you found us, okay? By someone before you was liking, commenting, and watching till the end. At the same time, if you can watch from more than one device, this again, it will be appreciated. So after this corrective structure, this is the, I would say, the contracting flat here, we've got this up wave. So from here to here is a wave of its own till now, which means this wave, it's potentially ended, which means actually this wave from here to here, it's one move from here to here. Why I'm mentioning one move? Because for you to understand wave analysis, you have to understand the fractal nature of the market. All right, Alan, what do you mean by fractals? Those of you who don't know what are the fractals, I suggest you guys to go to YouTube and search what are the fractals, okay? Because usually the fractal nature of the market is very, very important. Fractals, I mean actually market moves within waves. And it's waves within waves within waves. We have bigger waves, we have smaller waves. In other means, we have actually major trends, minor trends. I'm just trying to simplify things for you. It's complex, but once you learn how to trade correctly, once you learn our unique wave analysis concept by joining WW Pro, you will know everything because everything is inside, guys, all right? Everything is inside WW Pro membership. The details is in the description and on our website, okay? So for this one, back to the analysis, this is a wave of its own till now, based on the current market condition and based on the current structure. So after that, what market gave us this drop, this corrective structure, and potentially the market is falling again. Now, I'll go to the daily, and once you go actually in to lower time frames, the structure will not change. this will still be the top of the waves that I showed you on the weekly chart, okay? Which means this was the last wave from here to here. It will still be the last wave. This will not change. Once you go to lower time frames, and once you jump to lower time frames, the structure will not change. All what we'll do, actually, you will see more waves. And once you see more waves, the structure will be more clear to you. Now, back to this one, the daily chart. For the daily chart, we have this drop. We have this potential expanding flat. If guys, you still remember this was covered way before. If you remember this one, give us thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. If you remember this explanation about this expanding flat, okay? So for now, this is a potential expanding flat. These are the structures. I'll touch base in the fundamentals shortly, okay? So after this one, I'll change to probably this color. We've got this drop. We've got this up wave, corrective structure up, and the market is falling. This is a regular flat. Yes, I'm giving you a bit more, but again, I'm repeating, this is a thank you for all of you are liking and commenting on a weekly basis. So after this corrective structure, market gave us this drop. All right, Alan, how can we benefit from that? How weighted raise members can take advantage of this? Guys, weighted raise members who join WW Pro and learn how to trade correctly and are with us inside the community, that is the best trading community in the world, and we are the best in terms of what we provide. Most of you know that, and we have confidence about saying this based on what we know, based on who we are, and based on what our members are saying on Trustpilot profile, okay? Again, all the details are on our website. You can check it there. Back to the explanation that I was explaining. How can you benefit from this, or how weighted waivers can benefit from these explanations or from these analysis? They can trade this wave, they can trade this wave, they can trade this wave, and they can trade this wave as well. And they can make a lot of money by applying a good risk management and money management system. Everything, guys, is inside WW Pro membership, all right? Anyway, for this one, after this drop, what's market is giving us? From here, you've got a drop, pullback, drop, this is a corrective structure or part of it, and then a drop. Now, last week, we said to you, despite of the news, I have started the forecast that we are biased to the downside. For dollar, for DXY, we are biased to the downside. And you know how many news events we're having last week from FOMC, from the rate cut decision. Again, I'll explain you this shortly, but keep watching till the end, guys, okay? Now, back to the 4 hours or even the 1 hour chart. This structure, we do not think, let me go back to the 4 hours. This structure, this wave to the downside from here, we do not think it's done yet. Which means this wave, I'm subdividing the waves for you so you can see them in a clearer way, okay? This wave starting from here to the downside, starting from here, we do not think it's done yet. Now, the details about last week's drop is here. If I go to the 1 hour, I'm still within this wave, guy, all right? Here, if you remember, last week we said we are expecting market to drop regardless. And we've got this up wave, we've got this corrective structure, we've got this up move. This was a great sign to us that market will push to the downside. So internally, our members, weighted waivers, were waiting for this up wave before the drop, okay? All of them were expecting market to drop anyway. Based on what we have shared on Sunday regarding the levels, regarding the news events, we were expecting market to drop, and especially to take liquidity under this low. So under this low, we're having a lot of liquidity. All right? Here, under this low, this low, this low, and this low, we were having a lot of liquidity. So we knew, despite of any decision from FOMC, that market will drop. Any proof for that? Of course, go back to our last week's forecast and check that we said, despite any wave, we are expecting market to drop. So anyway, we've got this corrective structure and we've got this drop. This was a perfect setup, a perfect trade to the downside, and a lot of members made money, okay? After this up, we've got this pullback, this up wave, take everybody out, and the market is falling to the downside again. All right, guys, this is regarding the news, this is regarding the fundamental analysis, and what we're expecting and how market moved, all right? Now, regarding the fundamental analysis, we were actually expecting market to fall after the FOMC. And we have actually, T gave actually the trade for WW Pro members inside Wednesday session regarding Euro dollar to the upside. WW Pro members, if you remember this one, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. Let the other members, let the other followers know that we gave you Euro dollar trade inside the Wednesday session here. So if you go to this dashboard just to show you. This is the dashboard, guys, that you will get access to as soon as you subscribe to WW Pro membership, okay? And here you have all of this. You will get access to all of this. Inside the weekly sessions, which are actually every Sunday at 12 p.m. UK time live, and updated session, it will be on Wednesday. Here, after we cover all the fundamental events here for all WW Pro members, on Sunday, we gave them the update on Wednesday. And like I said, the euro dollar trade was given on Wednesday to the upside, 100 pips to the upside, despite the number of pips, but the bias was towards the upside and market went up for euro dollar. So this is one trade. Count with me, all right? One trade done to the upside. If I go to the trades of the week that are also shared after every Sunday session, you can see Euro Swiss to the upside, you can see EURUSD to the upside, and you can see Euro New Zealand. If you see here, also we can go to trades of the month, NatGas to the upside, market is pushing the upside, and Pound Swiss. Let me maximize this for you so you can see them better. Pound Swiss, trade of the month, corrective structure up. If I go here to Pound Swiss, I'll go back, guys, to the DXY, right? But just follow me step by step, because this is important for you to know. Like the accuracy of weighted waves, the trades that are shared by our seniors, and the trades that are shared by T on every Sunday session. Okay, of course, not all the trades will be going into profits, but again, based on our risk management system, if you lose one, you can gain 5. So in other means, like always your win should be more than how much you lose. In other means, if you lose one, you should win 3 or more. That's actually how you make money. Now, anyway, back to this one. Pound Swiss, look at this. Market gave us a corrective structure up again. So euro dollar to the upside, Pound Swiss to the upside. Just count with me, guys, the trades, right? Pound Swiss to the upside, as you can see, corrective structure up. If I go back to trades of the week, this is NatGas to the upside. If I go to NatGas, which is here, to the upside, market gave us a corrective structure, small one, and then it's pushing to the upside, which means if the members, they took the trade, they should be in profits now. 3 trades till now, okay? Again, these are trades, guys. They are not predictions, okay? Back to this one, if I go to Euro New Zealand, market is still giving us the corrective structure. Market, the structure is still in the making. The update trade regarding the Euro New Zealand will be shared by T during the Sunday session tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time, okay? So market is correcting and most probably will go to the upside after. But do not jump in, because the update of this trade will be given, like I said, by T during the Sunday session. That will be covered tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time for WW Pro members, okay? Again, how to get access to all of this, guys? WW Pro, all right? The link is in the description under this video. So 3 trades till now, okay? EURUSD, look at this one to the upside. Also trade of the week shared by T during the Sunday session. Corrective structure up. Are you counting with me, guys, the trades? How many trades actually have hit the target or are in profits anyway? So for now, 4 between trades of the week and trades of the month. If we go to Euro Swiss, for this one, corrective structure up. Back to this one here. Look at this. This is Euro Swiss. Corrective structure up. All right. These are trades, guys. They are not predictions. Okay. So just for those who think that, all right, guys, you know how to predict the market. Perfect. But are you guys really making money from the trades? Of course. The proof for that is here on our YouTube channel. Go here and check this video. Okay. You will know everything about if we are making money or not. At the same time, it's not us if we are making money. It's our members. And to get the answer, you can go to our Trustpilot profile and read what our members are saying. Again, the link is on our website and in the description under this video. Okay, back to the trades. After all of these, like Euro Swiss, it's perfect one, as I showed you. EURUSD to the upside, Euro New Zealand in the making, and trades of the months, NatGas going to the upside, and Pound Swiss going to the upside. 5 trades plus the euro dollar trade that was shared on last Wednesday. It's FOMC trade anyway. Market went to the upside. So we can say 6 trades in the last 20 days from the trades of the month and trades of the week. This is crazy, isn't it? Now, if I go to our trade setups, this is the trade setups tab, guys, that you'll get access to. Again, this is where our seniors are sharing the setups. And the notification for this one is straight away instant on Telegram channel. So regarding the trade setups, if I go here to Telegram, again, guys, I'll go back to the DXY shortly to explain you what's next, but I need to cover this because this is very important. This is our Telegram channel, guys. The link in the description under this video and on our website in the footer section if you'd like to. All our official links are in the description under this video. Remember, I will never ever reach you first or contact you first. So be aware of the scammers, okay? The official links are always on our website, which is weightedwaves.com. If you have any question, you can send us an email at info@wetradewaves.com to get the, like if you have any query or any question regarding if this are official links or not, okay? So, our official Telegram channel, it's called We Trade Waves. It's 5.8k subscribers, just to show you. And the link is in the description under this video. Now, regarding the trades that were shared by our seniors, look at this one. This was Aussie New Zealand. Drop up and drop up. This was great trade. Next one, Euro Swiss to the upside as well by one of our seniors. This is by Chun, and the previous one was by Vanish. And look at this one. This is again another trade, Euro to the downside. And look at this, Aussie CAD. And the last one is Aussie, I believe it's this one, published by Vanish yesterday. Look at this trade. This is Euro dollar trade, okay? And as you can see, it might not be clear for you, but once I go to your door, I'll explain you that in detail. This trade, guys, was given by Vanish. If I go to this one now, just to show you, I'll go up and go to this one. This is the notification, by the way, channel for WW Pro members. You can join it if you would like to. It's public anyway, just to see the setups, okay? And to get notified. Anyway, this is Euro dollar trade. And this Euro dollar trade was shared just on September 20, which is yesterday, okay? So this Euro dollar trade that was shared by Vanish here have hit the target in the next 1 hour only. And look at this. This is 5-to-1 trade. You can call it 4-to-1 trade. It doesn't matter. But look at this. This was the setup and this was the outcome. Crazy, isn't it? So are you counting, guys, with me the trades that have hit the target? Of course, we have losing trades. But because we know how to manage the trades, how to go for a good risk to reward system, that's why once you join and you learn all what you will learn from WW Pro here inside this one, let me show you this, by the way. If you go to this here, you go to the pricing as well. Look at this. This is what you will get inside WW Pro, okay? Again, guys, this is your opportunity. I'm not pushing you. I'm just telling you what you are missing and what you could achieve if you join and you learn. It's all-in-one solution for serious traders like you. So if you want to miss the option, if you want to miss this option of becoming independent, successful trader, it's up to you. It's okay if you want to do that, all right? Anyway, all the details regarding our membership is on the website and inside WW Pro membership. Anyway, back to DXY, back to dollar index. What's next, Alan? For this one, after all of this, we are still biased to the downside. So for me, like I said, regarding the structure, we do not think that this wave to the downside is done yet. Even fundamentally, because, you know, last Wednesday, they went for 0.5, 50 basis points regarding the rate cut. And they will cut more based on the financial reports, which means we are expecting dollar to fall more potentially until the US elections. Again, the details regarding fundamental analysis and all this geopolitics and what's behind the scene regarding the fundamental news, all this will be covered in detail every Sunday by T at the start of every Sunday live session, okay? I'm repeating, to get access, WW Pro, you will get everything inside WW Pro, okay? So, back to what we are expecting for the dollar index, we are expecting market to fall more. In other means, I'm still biased to the downside. Any pullback, any corrective structure is a selling opportunity for one more drop. Even if this will go to the upside to break this top or not, it doesn't matter, but the bias is toward the downside. Any sell setup we get, we should go for it. All right, guys, I gave you the top-down analysis for DXY. I give you everything regarding fundamental analysis as well. Till when dollar can keep falling, till when we are expecting dollar to fall. What we are looking for is a sell setup. Any sell setup we get, we'll go for it. Of course, if you will jump in, you will lose more. So the best thing you do, is to invest in yourself, join WW Pro, guys, and start making money with us. I showed you almost everything. I don't want to actually waste more time explaining what is inside WW Pro. All the details are in our on our website, okay? Go to the website and read everything about us. Now, Euro dollar for this one, like I said, this was one of the trades given by T during the Wednesday update regarding the up move. It's crazy. Perfect move to the upside. Now, back to the 4-hour chart, guys. What is inside the structure? Let me show you the 15-minute trade, by the way, shared by Vanish, so you know it, all right? So this is the trade that I showed you here. Look at this. This is the trade shared by Vanish yesterday to the downside, and this is the market in front of you. Back to this one, trade to the downside. This inside the trade setups anyway. if I go to here, I'll not show you actually the other trade because this is not fair, but just saying this is the move, all right? This is the trade. Drop, corrective structure, this was the trade, all right? So in the 4-hour chart, back to the 4-hour chart, what we are expecting next? So can you see, guys? Trade given by a T on Wednesday to the upside, market went to the upside on Wednesday, and trade given by Vanish to the downside on Friday, market went to the target 5-1 within 1 hour. That's the sort of trades you want. That's the sort of trader you want to become. You get me? How to do that? You join WW Pro, you start learning, and in few months, if you put the right work on it, you will become an independent, successful trader if you only put the right work. All you have to do is to take decision, surround yourself with like-minded, successful traders, join our community because it's the best community, guys. We have daily sessions anyway, daily live sessions. Again, you know what is inside. If you want more details, in the description under this video or on our website, or even in the first comment under this video. Anyway, back to your dollar, what you are expecting next regarding this one. Regarding your dollar, we're expecting market to push up more. Any pullback, any corrective structure is a buy opportunity, which means we'll wait for our setups, we'll wait for our buy setups to go for the buy if market will give us a corrective structure. Alan, can you be wrong here? Of course we can be wrong. If we are wrong, that doesn't mean we'll lose our accounts. If we are wrong and we are in, we will lose small. Because as a trader, you have to have only 4 outcomes after you enter a trade. What are the 4 outcomes? Small loss, break even, small win, or big win. Big loss situation, guys, it shouldn't be one of your outcomes. Perfect, Alan, how to achieve that? How can I avoid the big loss situation? It's simple. You follow actually weighted waves, 4 golden rules. What are the 4 golden rules for weighted waves? Do not jump in, do not overtrade or overrisk, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to losing position. If you follow these 4 simple golden rules, you will not lose your account. So the first thing you need to do as a trader is to protect your capital. After that, you grow it. If you don't have a gambler mindset, it's up to you. Like, you will keep losing money and you will keep losing time. Especially if you want to gamble the next news event, I would say. Because most of the traders, they do that. Save yourself, guys. Invest in yourself. Go to the learning process, even if this will take few months. I'm repeating, guys, you know like how transparent we are since day one. We are here for the past 6 years, not like 1 month here. We are not new. We are not new, all right? So you know us, you know our reputation, you know who we are. Also, actually, you know how many traders we have had worldwide. Thousands of traders. The video feedbacks are on our website. Trustpilot is there. A lot of feedbacks, we are not able to put them because we have a lot, all right? Anyway, all what I'm trying to say, do not waste more time and money. Try to invest in yourself. Learn how to trade correctly from the right mentors. And then after that, you are free to do whatever you want to do. If you don't like, you can cancel anytime. But join and learn because the opportunity is here. Grab it. All right? Anyway, euro dollar, we are expecting market to push up. If we get a corrective structure, up again. We are biased to the upside for this one. Pound dollar, you remember we said despite everything, for pound dollar, we are biased to the upside. Do you remember that? If you remember this, guys, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. And that's exactly what market have done. Up, pull back, and then up again. Pull back and up again. This was great, by the way, okay? Even from here, if you remember, this was a great trade. One of our members took the trade from here to the upside, and he made a lot of money riding this wave to the upside. So that's, guys, the sort of trader you want to become. Trust me, do not be lost with the fake marketing, or I would say like the marketing of Forex trading as a way to get rich quick is misleading. Do not fall into this, guys. You can make a lot of money, but you have to be on the right road. You have to be with the right people. You have to be with the right members, and you have to be with the right mentors, with like-minded successful traders, with the right community, all right? The solution in front of you, just have to go and take decision about it. Anyway, pound dollar for this one, up. We've got a corrective structure here, up, corrective structure, up, pullback. This is a trend continuation pattern, and the market went to the upside crazily. After that, we've got a corrective structure, and then push to the upside. Oh my God, Alan, how you know that? I have explained this for you more than once. If market will correct after a top, this was a top, right? So market broke the top, corrective structure. If market correct after breaking a top, it's a bullish sign. Market will push to the upside more, structurally speaking, all right? And you know that. I have explained this for you more than once. And regarding this pattern, trend continuation pattern, this one, again, I have gave you this one for free previously in the previous sessions. Okay, so up, corrective structure up, pullback up. This is a trend continuation pattern. You should not miss this wave when the market gives you this setup. This one of the setups, one of the structures, I would say, weighted waivers, they know it as a textbook pattern. And if you go and backtest the charts, you will see it in front of you. You see, I have no indicators, I have no EMAs, I have nothing here, no fibs, no fancy lines on my charts, because the charts are the reality. Any indicator you put will be a lagging indicator. It might help you, yes, but you don't need. All you have to do is master the structures. Once you master the structures correctly, that's it. Once you see it, you cannot unsee it. This is what we always say to our members, guys. Look at this. This is the message. Once you start to see the charts the way we see it, you can't unsee it. That's the reality, guys. All right? That's why once they learn it, that's it. They don't need anything else. They don't need any course, anything else to know how to read the charts. All right? So anyway, for pound dollar, what's next? After this up wave, if we get a corrective structure, another push up will be coming. In other means, we are still biased to the upside for pound dollar, and we are still biased to the downside for DXY. Fundamentally and technically, both of them, they are leading for one more push down for the dollar, and the majors another push up. Okay, again, I might be wrong. That's not important, because if we will be wrong, this means we might lose small if we are in. Gold, for this one, I hope, guys, all of you made money trading this one. Last week I said to you, corrective structure, up, drop, and then we will see what after. So this corrective structure, this up wave, this drop, 3 waves in advance was explained during the last Saturday session. Alan, any proof for that? Of course. If I go to this one, just to show you, and I jump to the gold, I believe it's here. Look at this. So corrective structure, up, and then drop. You can trade this up wave, and you can trade this down wave. And 2600, it was the level that we're waiting for. If you see this one, it's exactly at 2600. Okay? So, again, this is covered 6 days ago, guys. All right? Just for those of you who are new. All right? Now, back to the charts for gold. If I go to the 1 hour just to show the structures in detail, and look at this. Can you see this one here? The top was 2600. Crazy. Now, after this corrective structure, and this up wave and this drop, 2550 was given by T during the Sunday session, and during actually the sessions that are shared for weighted waivers. So this level, and then up after. Crazy accuracy. No one can give you these levels on a weekly basis, guys. All right. So what they will do, they might give you like one trade. Once it's a winning trade, they will keep bragging about it, and that's it. No one can give you what we are giving you. All right. But again, for this high accuracy, it's crazy. You get me? You are predicting the economy of of 2 pairs, of 2 countries, of gold, of US oil, of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, all of them. It's not one asset. You get what I'm trying to say, guys? And the good part, the good point for you is you have the opportunity to learn it from us. Do not waste it. You never know when we will stop this, by the way. Okay? So, for gold, for this one, we've got this corrective structure. We've got this up, corrective structure, and up. This up wave, it was not due to the cut rate. This up wave, this last up wave for gold, it was due to the uncertainty in the Middle East. I think if you are not following, guys, we have actually, the war is extended now, and it might extend more due to what happened in the last week in the Middle East between Israel and Lebanon. So for this one, if market will correct, which what we're expecting, another push-up will be coming. All depends on how the structure will behave, and all depends on the, I would say, geopolitics and the situation of the war. If the war will extend more, of course, gold will push higher. And if dollar will correct for another drop, gold will push higher. There is no sign for gold to sell or like to sell off other than taking profit phase. And based on what we can see, T will explain for you this in detail tomorrow, because I don't actually waste time for you explaining this here. Banks are buying gold and they will not sell it now. It's not logical to sell gold based on all what they know and based on all what is happening worldwide for that. Anyway, the details regarding this one will be explained by T tomorrow during the Sunday session. But all what I'm saying is, fundamentally speaking and technically speaking, if we get a corrective structure, another push-up will be coming. gold is still pushing to the upside, and it will push up more after every corrective structure. That's what we can see now based on the current market condition, based on the current structure, and based on the geopolitics and the war situation at the moment. Aussie dollar for this one, market went to the upside as all the other majors. So corrective structure, it was small, up, correction up. And again, if we get a corrective structure, another push up will be coming here to break this top and potentially the previous tops as well. This one, okay? But for now, let's focus on a corrective structure, another push up. New Zealand dollar for this one, this might be different, guys, because the structure here, even for New Zealand itself, we might get a drop. So any up wave here, it might be a sell opportunity. After this upwave, market will at least give us a corrective structure. This is what we can see now, structurally and fundamentally. So for New Zealand dollar, if you want to take a sell, again, we have other trades that we can take based on that. Not New Zealand dollar. I think most of you know what is the trade. We'll focus on New Zealand buy. Again, guys, it's not a signal. Please do not go and jump in and risk more than you should risk and all this stuff. We have our strategies to get in the buy if market gives us the buy setups, all right? So for that, I think it's clear. Dorian for this one, this is a pullback. Market actually gave us the pullback, and after that, we're expecting market now to fall. If we get a drop, if we get a sell setup, this is the wave that we'll look for dollar yen, okay? Any buy setup here, we will ignore it, and any sell setup, we'll go for it. And this sell setup can take us all the way down to break this low and even lower than that. In all the cases, we are biased to the downside for dollar yen, all right? Dollar Swiss for this one, market is just going sideways. This is a sign of bearishness, which means if we get a corrective structure, market break this top, this is a sell opportunity. If we get a sell setup above this top, it will be a good setup to the downside, and we'll go for this sell. Guys, I'm repeating, if you are liking this forecast, if you are liking actually what we are giving, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. Let all the followers or all the viewers that are new to Ethereum Waves know who we are and know actually what they are getting inside Ethereum Waves if they want to join. All right. So dollar CAD for this one, market is giving us this up wave. For now, I'll actually leave it. We are exactly in the middle of nowhere in terms of structure. If we get this up wave, another drop will be coming. And if we get a corrective structure, another drop will be coming. In all the cases, I'll be focusing on the sell setups for dollar CAD from after a small corrective structure or after market pushing to the upside to break this top. In all the cases, sell setups. All right. I think that's clear. US oil for this one, market is correcting to the upside. We might get a change of structure, which means we'll wait for market to give us a corrective structure now. Okay. If market give us a corrective structure and you are in the sell, you can actually take break even. And if we get a buy setup here, another push up will be coming. US oil, the structure now is changed to the upside. Okay. Why is that? Based on the waves here, looks like market give us a corrective structure and then one will push up for US oil. The details, the levels will be shared by T during the Sunday session. How to get access to that? Join WW Pro. You will get everything inside this membership. Bitcoin for this one, I think it's clear. I was actually screaming that this is bullish, guys. We are expecting market to push up, only buy setups and this and that, and market is pushing to the upside. Anyway, what's next? Corrective structure, another push up will be coming. And this up wave, it can potentially, I'm repeating potentially, first target is above this top, and potentially it can go all the way up to break this top as well. So in other means, this might be the last low. And I've explained about the protected low last week. Go to our last video and watch it. This is a protected low for now. Why? Because we took liquidity under this low. All right, guys? Again, by the way, regarding the free Q&A session, follow us, guys, on Telegram, just because I'll post something regarding that on Telegram next week. So the free Q&A session, all of you guys are invited to it. To get access to this one, I'll post for you the details inside our Telegram channel, this one. So make sure to follow it to get the details of this free Q&A session. It will be conducted next week. I'll give you the date and the time later on inside here, inside Ethereum Waves Telegram channel regarding the free Q&A session that I did a poll regarding it last week. Let me just show you the poll before I jump to Bitcoin again. I believe it was here somewhere. So this was the poll, all right? I want to do actually a free Q&A session, guys, for you. You can ask any question you want, so do not miss it. And this will be most probably next week, all right? It might be next Tuesday, on Wednesday. I'll decide that later, and I'll post for you the info or the details inside this Telegram channel, okay? The link for the Telegram channel is inside the description under this video. Bitcoin, again, corrective structure up, we are back to the upside. If you are in the buy, you just manage your trades. US30 for this one, market is pushing to the upside, and again, we broke this top. More than enough. Done. All right? This was expected. We've got a corrective structure up. What's next? If we get a corrective structure, another push-up will be coming. All right? So all depends on the next wave here. If you're in the buy, make sure to manage your trades and let the market unfold. If you are not in the buy, wait for a corrective structure, another up wave. This might be the start of an ending structure, but this might take time, probably 7 weeks. Why I'm saying 7 weeks? Because the US elections is 7 weeks from now. Okay? So if market will keep actually going like this in a form of ending structure until US elections, then most probably will get a drop. Okay? Anyway, this is far for now. This is actually for later. But for the next wave, if we get a corrective structure, another push-up will be coming. We are still bullish. Any pullback, any corrective structure is a buy opportunity. Guys, with that note, I really hope you had a great trading week. You trade with care. If you don't want to miss the next opportunity, the next trade, join WW Pro, guys. Everything is inside. It's all-in-one solution for all of you are serious about trading. Thank you very much. T will see all of you tomorrow, WW Pro members, tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. Thank you very much, guys. You trade with care. Bye-bye.